Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to block and unblock a sender in Outlook. This is incredibly useful for managing unwanted emails and ensuring that important messages from trusted contacts always reach your inbox without being filtered out. Let's get started and walk through this together. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox. Make sure everything loads properly before moving forward, as you'll need to see your full list of messages to identify the sender you want to block. Now that your emails have loaded, let's move on to blocking a sender. Head over to your inbox pane, which is where all your emails are located. This is typically the main view you see when you open Outlook. From here, you'll want to locate the sender that you wish to block. Scroll through your emails until you find a message from that particular person or address. Once you've found it, click on the email to select it. This highlights the message and prepares it for the next action. With the email selected, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options for managing your emails. From this menu, look for the option labeled Junk and hover your cursor over it. When you do this, a submenu will expand, showing you additional junk mail options. Directly within this submenu, you'll see the Block Sender option. Click on it to proceed with blocking this sender. This action immediately adds the sender to your blocked list, meaning any future emails from them will be automatically filtered into your junk folder or blocked entirely, depending on your settings. Now, if you ever need to reverse this action and unblock a sender, the process is quite similar and just as straightforward. Simply locate another email from that same sender in your inbox or junk folder. Right-click on the email again, and from the context menu that appears, hover your cursor over junk once more. But this time, instead of selecting Block Sender, you'll click on Never Block Sender. This removes them from your blocked list and ensures their emails will come through to your inbox normally from now on. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to block and unblock senders in Outlook, giving you full control over who can reach your inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.